If you don't know how to use washi tape, watch this video. Method 1, mini wall art. Draw small frames of different sizes, fill them with washi tape, then match them with furniture stickers, and a little piece of art is done. Method 2, pattern filling. Draw your favorite patterns, fill them with washi tape, cut off the excess parts, and a beautiful journal spread is finished. Method 3, geometric collage. Draw different geometric patterns to form a complete picture, then fill the shapes with washi tape. Method 4, gift wrap ribbon. Stick the washi tape horizontally and vertically to look like gift wrap ribbons. Tie a bow at the intersection and finish with text decorations. Method 5, rhythmic layout. Cut several sections of washi tape with the same pattern into thin strips, stick them vertically, cut them from the sides to the middle in a rising height order, and finish with character and text decorations. Method 6, washi tape vase. Draw the outline of a vase, cut the washi tape into many triangles of different sizes and shapes, collage them randomly inside the outline, and a beautiful vase is finished. Method 7, leaf embellishment. Cut the washi tape into leaf shapes, then use them as flower fillers in the vase. Which one is your favorite?